Good morning, students. I hope you all have followed all the classes properly, and as it is explained in your live class that today you are going to get a link where you need to take your revision test exam. So today in worksheet section you are going to get a link. You need to click on that link, and within the stipulated time you need to complete the paper and you need to submit that. Along with this, many students, some of you, not many, a few students have asked about some samples of certain parts. Along with that, I also had a thought to provide you in this manner. So in your study material section you will get that those three types. You need to download them and you need to follow exact the same. And if you find means if you have, after that, if you have any kind of query or any kind of question, you can ask me through the query button. Okay, but definitely do provide me with your phone number or email address, otherwise it's quite difficult for me to contact you. So I will not take much time. You all need to rush to open that worksheet section where you will get the link, and then you need to answer those questions. After that you need to go through the study materials and all. Since I have given one means a worksheet link over there, that's why no different worksheet is given, but it is expected that you will definitely do practice all those three. At least jot down your points and do that. And along with this, I would like to make it clear about your question paper, though we had a discussion, since it's required to explain. So there can be, basically the question paper is set on objective types, and in case of proposal writing you are going to get a scope to upload your writing, or you can type as well. So you are going to get a true false type of questions, that but be very specific that each and every part will be definitely touched. Okay, means your composition part will be touched, directed writing part will be touched, comprehension part will be touched, proposal writing part will be touched, and grammar part will be touched. Now it depends on the teacher the way we are going to set the question, but be mentally prepared that you need to write one proposal writing over there, and rest part whether you know about your idea. Okay, do you know about all those features or all the things related to these things, that those things will be asked, those things will be taken into care of. So what you need to do, the thing is, you need to go through the study material minutely. Whatever study material I have given so far related to your directed writing as well as composition, means each type, whatever type it is, it must be having some components, and you need to go through them. In case of comprehension also, rules and regulations and what to do, what not to do, those things will be asked. If you know the base thing or the format clearly, you can answer any type of question. Since the situation is like that, so we thought to take a taste on the thing, whether you all know everything in detail or not. So as I told, I will not take much time, just do it quickly. So thank you, best of luck.